Pops is using yet another Milwaukee tool. Using another Milwaukee tool in our arsenal. You can see we've got two of them here that we use. And this is a great tool. What's it a great tool for, Pop?
Getting out on the nooks and crannies.
A little trick that I do is take and on a vibrating tool, a plunge cut tool from Milwaukee. I don't know what the number is, but to get like in an area that you can't get underneath, like tough to sand by hand, is you can extend your sandpaper out and just shove it underneath there. That way, even under the seams, you can get that sanded. So I'm not gonna turn it on. Well, it's loud. Wear some ear protection or something, but that's how we're going and detailing the bottom of his 72 Challenger. So
And after we get all this done, we will seal it all. Well, we'll wipe it all down, prep saw, get any grease from our fingers, oil, and then we'll seal it all. And of course, we'll base coat, clear coat.
Yep.
So,
All right, cool.
all right.
Another little how-to
Yeah.
from Clark's Place. Get yourself 2 or 3 of these guys, maybe 4.
Yeah, they're great for plunge cutting wood as well.
It looks like a 24, 25. Get some, yeah.